Kids will bring all sorts of things home. It's just part of growing up. But what you really don't want them to bring home is influenza, because the flu can make them miserable and keep them out of school. And it also can spread from them to everyone else in the house, which can mean missed school or work for some, or hospitalization or worse for others. So be sure to get your child vaccinated against the flu. That way, at least you can help keep the flu out of your home. To learn more, call 1-800-CDC-INFO or visit www.cdc.gov/flu. A message from the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services.